Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love energy, and one card from the oracle guidance deck, guys. So first, for your daily reading, we'll be picking 3 cards, guys. For your love situation and your career situation, I'll be picking one card each from another deck. So this is the card for your career situation, guys. So I'll keep it here. And for your love reading, this is the card for your love reading, guys. I'll leave it here. And one card from the oracle guidance deck. So we will open these cards as we proceed, guys. The guidance card from the oracle guidance deck, Aries. So this is for your oracle guidance, guys. I will leave it here and we will open these cards as we progress into the reading, guys. So first, for your daily reading, Aries, it's Queen of Wands in reverse, it's 10 of Pentacles and 6 of Wands in reverse, guys. So with these cards in your situation today, it may be in your career situation or personal life situation, guys, you are able to have that happiness and sense of satisfaction, and you are enjoying certain success in your situation today, guys. It may be something work related success or personal life related success. So something is making you happy, giving you that emotional satisfaction and content. But sometimes, though you're putting in efforts, though whatever choices that you're making is right, but certain things are missing from your career or your personal life. Certain things you feel are working against you, opposing you in some ways, creating some kind of obstacles in your situation today, guys. So some kind of stress because of that, and you also fear the future of your situation. Maybe it may be something in your personal life or work related fear, apprehensions about some outcome. So you may feel in your heart of hearts that certain things may not go as expected. So something stressing you today, Aries. That is what I see. But overall, I see here that you are satisfied in something and stressed in something. Maybe in your work you may not find that total satisfaction, and in your personal life you are happy, fulfilled, or it may be vice versa, guys, these energies. So let us see what are the cards for your career situation and your personal life situation, guys. So first, for your career situation, Fool. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you may be making some immature decisions today. You have that enthusiasm today, and you are venturing into something. You are taking risks. You are not clear about your situation, and you are taking certain risks in your position today without that clarity in your situation, guys. You do not you are quite impractical and immature in handling your career situation. Maybe some opportunities are coming your way, and you are taking up those opportunities without clear thought, maybe, guys. Without clear thought how things will proceed, how that circumstance will unfold for you. So maybe some stress because of that. Maybe certain things may not go right as you had expected. So that is what I see here. But you have that confidence in yourself and that faith in yourself, and you are willing to take that risk because in your heart of hearts you feel you know what is right in your situation today, Aries. So you are willing to risk anything in your career, or it may even be in your personal life. So for this person, for this love of this person, or for that conviction you have in your career on those opportunities that are coming your way, so you are ready to take that risk. That is what I see with this card, Aries. So what is the card for your personal life? It's the Hierophant. So with this card in your personal life, this may be what this person feels about you or what you feel about this person, guys. So this card is a reminder that we have to be really responsible and committed in this relationship, guys. So when we have that commitment, when we are putting in that efforts in this connection, being responsible in this connection, we will see success. And we have to go for that. We have to work towards that mutual love and understanding. We should have that mutual respect, love, caring, and the desire to understand each other in this connection. So when we have all that, we will see positivity unfolding in our connection, guys. So that is what I see with this card for your relationship, guys. So you have to have that commitment and honesty and reliability in this connection, and when it is reciprocated, when that person has that loyalty and they are being responsible, and when you reciprocate it the same way, you will find that this connection is moving towards a very positive relationship, guys. So that is what I see with this card for your relationship, Aries. So what is the guidance card for you all, guys? Exchanging gifts. So with this card, this is the general guidance card, guys. So it may be something that we can follow this guidance to make things go in a better way in our life. So in our situation today, whatever we do today, guys, if we do something good, we get something good back to us. But if we do something bad in our situation, we will get something bad. So that is what this card is about, guys. So love is an exchange between two people. So when we give and receive love in our connection, we will see that this relationship will flourish and our heart will be filled with that love, and love will be truly ours today, guys. So that is what this card is about. So we reap what we sow, guys. So when we do something good in this connection, when we love that person and when we receive love, this connection will work. The same way, when we have that happy intentions, positive intentions in our work situation, and when it is reciprocated by the results that we get from our work, we can understand that whatever hard work we did, the efforts we did, and the commitment we had to make things work in our way, we will see positive results, guys. So when we do our best, put in our 100%, what we get back will also be that positive good results. So that is what this card is about. That goodwill comes back tenfold, guys. That is the meaning with this card. So that is the reading for you all today, Aries. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aries.